Zebra. A fascinating look at their diet, life cycle, and physical characteristics. Zebras are one of the most recognizable animals in the wild, admired for their striking black and white striped coats. These members of the horse family, Equidae, are native to sub-Saharan Africa and are well known for their social behavior and adaptability in a variety of habitats. This video will explore the various aspects of a zebra's diet, life expectancy, physical characteristics, and more. Zebra diet. What do zebras eat? Zebras are herbivores, primarily grazing on grasses, but their diet can vary depending on the season and the availability of other plants. In the wild, they are typically found in open plains, savannas, and grasslands, where they feed on a variety of vegetation. While grasses make up the bulk of their diet, they will also eat shrubs, leaves, bark, and fruits, particularly when the grasses are scarce. The type of grass they prefer is often short, tender, and high in nutrients. Zebras are known to be selective feeders, sometimes choosing particular grass species based on their nutritional content. Quantity of food. How much do zebras eat? Zebras require a substantial amount of food to sustain their energy levels. On average, an adult zebra will consume between 1.5 to 2.5% of its body weight in food daily. For example, a zebra weighing around 500 kilograms, about 1,100 pounds, would need between 7.5 and 12.5 kilograms, 16 to 27 pounds, of grass and other plant materials per day. During times of scarcity, such as in drought conditions, zebras may consume smaller amounts or forage for other types of vegetation to meet their dietary needs. Zebras are also known for their ability to travel long distances in search of food. They are not particularly territorial and may roam over vast areas, especially when food or water resources are limited. Zebras often form large herds, which help them find food more efficiently. These herds are typically led by a dominant male and may contain dozens of individuals, all of whom work together to graze and monitor potential predators. Zebra lifespan. How long do zebras live? Zebras typically have a lifespan of 20 to 30 years in the wild, although their life expectancy can vary depending on various factors such as habitat, predation, and human intervention. In the wild, they face constant threats from predators, including lions, hyenas, and wild dogs, which can shorten their lives. However, in protected environments like zoos and wildlife reserves, zebras may live longer due to the absence of these natural predators and the availability of regular veterinary care. Zebras have a relatively low reproductive rate, which is one of the reasons why their populations can fluctuate. Female zebras typically give birth to a single foal after a gestation period of around 12 months. Foals are born with their characteristic stripes and are able to stand and walk within hours of birth, which is essential for survival in the wild. Zebra physical characteristics. Weight, height, and length. Zebras, although similar in appearance to horses, have several distinctive physical features that set them apart. Weight. Adult zebras generally weigh between 300 to 450 kilograms, 660 to 990 pounds, depending on their species and sex. The Grevy's zebra, the largest species of zebra, can weigh as much as 450 kilograms, 990 pounds, while the smaller plains zebra typically weighs around 350 kilograms, 770 pounds. Height. Zebras are medium-sized animals, with their height ranging from 1.2 to 1.5 meters, 4 to 5 feet, at the shoulder. Male zebras are typically slightly taller than females. Their height allows them to reach high grasses and shrubs, which is essential for feeding. Length. The body length of a zebra can vary, but it generally ranges from 2.3 to 2.6 meters, 7.5 to 8.5 feet. This measurement includes their head and body, excluding their tail, which can add an additional 40 to 50 centimeters, 16 to 20 inches, in length. The zebra's body is well adapted to its environment. It has strong, muscular legs that enable it to run at speeds of up to 65 kilometers per hour, 40 miles per hour, an important defense mechanism against predators. The zebra's coat, which consists of unique black and white stripes, provides excellent camouflage in the grassy plains and is thought to confuse predators by making it difficult to single out an individual zebra within a herd. Additionally, the stripes may help regulate the zebra's body temperature by creating small air currents along their bodies, a feature especially useful in the hot African climates. Zebra behavior and social structure. Zebras are highly social animals that live in herds, which typically consist of a harem led by a dominant stallion. A harem usually includes one male and several females with their offspring. These herds are often formed for mutual protection, as zebras can rely on the watchful eyes of other members to detect predators. Within the herd, zebras establish social hierarchies, with dominant males often asserting their authority through displays of strength, such as biting and chasing. Females may also compete for the attention of males, particularly when the stallions are courting. Zebras are known for their strong familial bonds, and mothers are particularly protective of their foals. The foals stay with their mothers for the first few years of their life before they become more independent. Zebra herds are often dynamic, with individuals moving between groups. Conservation status and threats. While the plains zebra, the most common zebra species, is not currently at risk of extinction, other zebra species face significant threats. The Grevy's zebra, for example, is classified as endangered due to habitat loss, competition with livestock for grazing land, and poaching for their skins. Conservation efforts are underway to protect zebra populations, including the creation of protected areas and the enforcement of anti-poaching laws. Habitat loss is a major concern for all zebra species. As human populations continue to expand and encroach on wild habitats, zebras are finding it harder to roam freely in search of food and water. Drought and climate change also exacerbate these problems, causing food and water shortages. In response to these challenges, several wildlife conservation programs focus on sustainable land management and habitat restoration. These efforts aim to protect zebra populations and their habitats while allowing human communities to thrive alongside wildlife. Fun facts about zebra's stripes are unique. Every zebra's stripe pattern is unique, much like a human fingerprint. No two zebras have the same pattern of black and white stripes. Zebras can sleep standing up. Like horses, zebras can sleep standing up due to a locking mechanism in their legs. This allows them to remain alert to potential predators, even while resting. Zebras can communicate through vocalizations. Zebras use a range of vocalizations to communicate with one another, including barks, whinnies, and snorts. These sounds help them coordinate movements, warn of danger, and communicate with their young. They are good swimmers. Despite their strong association with dry, grassy areas, zebras are excellent swimmers. They can cross rivers and other bodies of water when necessary. Zebras are fascinating creatures that capture the imagination with their distinct appearance and behavior. Their diet of grasses, shrubs, and occasional fruits keeps them well sustained in their natural habitats, while their social structure helps them thrive in the wild. While they face numerous challenges, particularly in terms of habitat loss and poaching, efforts to protect them continue to grow. With proper conservation and protection, zebras can remain a symbol of the African wilderness for generations to come. Whether in the wild or in a controlled environment, zebras are extraordinary animals that contribute significantly to biodiversity and the balance of ecosystems. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button. Also subscribe to our channel before you go. Thank you for watching.